They got some Pokemon card. Oh, I got it. What do you want here? This is OP actually. Pokemon. Where's that? I don't know who's that. Who's that? Somebody told me in the comments, but who's that? Tungus slip. Okay, let's go try it again. Trying to measure my phone says today on the first stone. Okay. I want to still. Read it. Okay. Is that a Charizard? Okay. But that's like 180 power. Did you see that on the top? Right? That's so